Right, to convert a fraction to a percentage, so we can have easy ones like this. Let's go 7 over 20. And all you need to do is make the denominator into 100. So I can go 20 times 5 is 100. And what I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. So 7 times 5 is 35. And then we can write that as 35%. But what happens if you have something like, say, 1/8? Let's put it here. It's not so easy to think of what times 8 equals 100, because 8 doesn't go into 100. So we do this process. You just simply multiply it by 100 over 1. And then we revert to fraction multiplication. 1 times 100 is 100. 8 times 1 is 8. And we simplify. The number 2 goes into both 100 and 8. So I divide the top by 2 and I get 50. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Oh, I can divide by another 2. And then I get 50 divided by 2 is 25. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then this looks like this, 25 divided by 2. And if I do 25 divided by 2, I get 12.5%. Now, it's okay to have a fraction within a percentage. What makes these harder is just the multiplying and figuring out how to simplify. Now, I could have gone here and I could have divided by 4. And I would have got the same answer. Okay, so you just really need to know your factors. So let's have a look at the other. You need to be able to simplify and multiply. Okay, let's go percentages to fractions. So let's say I had 32%. So this is actually quite not as hard as what you may think. So I just start off and I put 32 over 100. And straight away, you've got part of an answer. But it's that word you must simplify. And so then, if I divide that, let's simplify what goes into both 32 and 100. We've got 2, we've got 4. I'm going to go with 4 this time. I'm going to be a bit brave. So I go 32 divided by 4 is 8. 100 divided by 4 is 25. If I wanted to go with 2, divide top and bottom by 2, I get 16 over 50. And do it again. I get 8 out of 25. So let's look at another one. Let's look at 55%. So write it as 55 over 100. Then divide the top by 5 and the bottom by 5. So 55 divided by 5 is 11 and 100 divided by 5 is 20. So just like before on this previous, so simplify. I mean, multiply, divide, factorize. You need to know those times tables. Anyway, hope this helps.